Hello children, good morning to you all. Hope you did yesterday's homework which I gave you, activity 1 and 2. Today one more new topic we will take, that is about sentences. Okay, what? Positive and negative sentences. Today's topic is positive and negative sentences. What are positive sentences? What are negative sentences? And even we are going to learn about questions also. How to make the questions. What are positive sentences? Okay. Positive sentences are those sentences for which give you answer in S. Agreeing way you will get answer. I am going to school today. I am very happy today. Raju is my friend. Lata sings a song. Varun wrote the answer correctly. These all are positive statements. Positive means it gives answer in S. You don't get any negativity, means no. Negative means no. Positive means S. This is S. This is negative means no. You get answer in no. What is this S? I am hungry now. Morning, class goes on. And in the middle you get in the school, when you were in the school, 12 o'clock, 4th period starts. That 4th period, in the middle you feel hungry, no? Oh, when will teacher complete the class? When will bell ring? I am very hungry, you think. And in the first period, if teacher comes and asks, are you hungry? You say, no, I am not hungry. No means negative. Yes, I am hungry. I want some water. Raju gave me his book. She is very good. These all are positive sentences. Raju did not give me his book. I am not hungry. She is not a nice girl. Her handwriting is not good. No, not, and you get, that is negative sentence. If you get the answer in S, that is positive. Negative means you get answers in no or not. No or not. Understand? So, positive sentences, negative sentences. Positive sentences give answer in S and negative will give answer in no. Okay. Now, what we are going to learn in it? If the sentence is given positive, we can change it into negative. If the negative sentence is there, we can change into positive. So, first case, my mother is a teacher. This is positive sentence. Okay. You can change into negative. This is positive. You can change into negative. How? Here you have to make a change with the verb. You have to make a change with the verb. My mother is not. Here is there positive? Is not is there negative? Is not a teacher. For example, next positive. I will meet you tomorrow. I will meet you tomorrow. If this is the sentence, you can say it is positive. Where you have auxiliaries, helping verbs. In the beginning I taught you helping verbs. Okay. Will become will not in negative sentence. I will not meet you tomorrow. Okay. This is negative. She can sing a song. She cannot sing a song. Can is the verb used. You can use it cannot. She is my friend. She is not my friend. He drinks milk. He does not drink milk. Understand? I cannot talk to you. I can talk to you. Positive ది negative లో చేయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తాము? Is will become is not. Can will become cannot. Will becomes won't. Will not. Are not. Was not. I am not. Negative. If negative sentence is given positive, how can you change? If negative sentence is there, he cannot write well. This is a sentence, it is a negative. Here only you are going to make the change with helping verb. How? Positive, how can you write? He can write well. He can write well. Okay. Second, I am very lazy. If it is like that, we can say am is the verb here. I am not very lazy, or I am not lazy. Understand? These are not my shoes. These are my shoes. They are my friends. They are not my friends. He was in 4th class. He was not in the 4th class. Understand? Ours is not a new house. Ours is a new house. Like this. One negative, you can make it to positive. Positive, you can change into negative. Okay. Next, one more thing to teach you is, so first, before going to the next topic, let us have one small exercise, three sentences. What you have to do? First case, change into negative sentences. Wait. Means you should get in no and not. First one, I will give just three. She is my aunt. Second, the fox is a domestic animal. Third, the cow is cruel. Fourth, Radha is playing with me. You have to change them into negative. How? She is not my aunt. The fox is not a domestic animal. The cow is not cruel. Radha is not playing with me. Now second bit. change into positive sentences. I will give you negative, same way you have to change into positive. He cannot drive a car. Second, Ramu is a doctor. Third, Sita will not go to her village. Fourth, Arun's friends are very good, are active. I can do active. This is an exercise on positive and negative sentences. Now, one more thing we are learning is punctuation. Next we are learning punctuation. What is punctuation, children? Using full stop, capital letter, question mark, commas. This is called punctuation. Where we will use generally what to say, capital letter in the beginning of the sentence. Okay. And one more case, what I told you, proper noun, common noun. In case whenever you get the proper noun in the middle, in the end, there also you are using capital letters. End of the sentence, putting full stop. End of the sentence, we are putting full stop. And after that, if it is question, we are putting question mark in the end and starting it with the capital letter. And when we are using commas, if, for example, Rani gave me bangles, ribbons, clips and flowers. If this is the sentence, here we have got so many nouns in a line, like bangles, ribbons, clips, flowers. But here between ribbon and clip and flower there is and. So where to put the first thing, start the sentence with capital. Rani gave me bangles. Then we have to see here so many things, names together we got, no? So we put the comma in between. Ribbons, clips. Here and is there, so we need not put any comma. So we say and bangles, that's it. This way we use the commas in between the sentence. Second, Suma, Rama, Meena, and Rosie are friends. Here two things you have to take care. First thing, start with capital. Already it is capital. Rama, proper noun. Meena, proper noun. Rosie, proper noun. So these all you should start with capital. And at the same time, all nouns are in a line in the same process. So we have to put commas here. First start like this. Suma, comma, Rama, capital. Why? Because proper noun. Comma, Meena, capital. Ain't is there, so no need. Rosie. Are friends. So when you get a comma, when we get the nouns in a line continuously, one after the other, then we will use commas. When you get proper nouns in the middle or in the end, using capital. And in the beginning, we are using capitals. One more thing to learn is about question marks. First, are you late to school? Are you late to school? It is a question. So, A should be capital in R. You late to school. Here you need not put full stop. You have to put question mark. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Here also, why W capital and end. Sorry. Why are you crying? Question mark. Like this. Understand? These are punctuation marks. One small exercise on it. Take down third bit, I can say, homework law. First bit changing into negative, second bit changing into positive. Now punctuate the following sentences. Third bit, punctuate the following sentences. Pawan and Priya are siblings. So, Pawan, Priya, capital. After sibling, full stop. Second, Gokul Praveen John and Shiva played football. Here you are putting commas. Okay, I mistake. Harish and Girish have lot of work. Fourth, is it your pencil? What is the time now? How do you punctuate? You see, commas, without commas. I did not give any sentence without comma. Kiri is very clever. So these 5 sentences you have to punctuate using full stop, question mark and capital letters, commas. Right children? This is for today. Thank you.